For Value Partners Classic Fund, there are a couple of key areas of focus that remain intact since the start of the year. First is the semiconductor exposures. We remain very bullish about the semiconductor exposures. Key reasons being is there has been continued supply shortage together with very robust end demand. We're actually expecting the capacity ramp up will take time. That means the near-term supply and demand imbalances will continue, and that has been very favoring the semiconductor manufacturer or the foundry. Secondly, that's the internet-related exposures. Internet-related exposures has gone through some corrections started in middle of the first quarter, and the valuation has gone back to the pre-COVID level. We are actually very positive about the sector, as the sector is still not yet completely monetized, and it will still be giving investor higher than average growth on the earnings level. However, we are being very selective because the China internet-related space, especially in the e-commerce area, continue to see increasing competition, and also we'll be seeing some high base comparison versus 2020. So we are being very selective to select quality names that has competitive advantage over the others. Thirdly is the consumption upgrade related sector. The rising middle class continue to contribute to the robust growth of the consumption-related subsegments. For the classic fund strategy, we have changed slightly that we are shifting more towards the sports apparel sectors in 2021. Reasons being is we continue to witness the domestic consumer, they are more favoring the domestic brands and giving a very strong view to support domestic sports apparel companies to continue to gain market shares and support a very robust earnings growth. And lastly, the Classic Fund added more financial sectors in late 2020. Financials such as Chinese banks and Chinese insurance companies continue to benefit from the steepening yield curve around the globe. And within the Chinese bank, we particularly like the Chinese banks that has strong business in the wealth management sector, as the rising middle class continue to support and add value to the earnings potential for selective Chinese banks.